Dear friends, a number of concerns and grievances have been raised regarding the NEET 2024 exam, as well as the results that have been declared on the 4th of June by test takers, as well as a number of other stakeholders. Aakash, with its legacy, a 35-year-old legacy of helping aspirants prepare for these high-stakes exams and helping them along on their academic excellence journey, has a stake in seeking and ensuring that the sanctity and the integrity of the NEET exam is upheld. We have welcomed the formation of the 4-member expert panel to review and address the concerns and grievances that have been raised, including the ones regarding the grant of grace marks to a set of candidates. We have formally written to NTA, imploring them to expeditiously address all concerns, and I repeat, all concerns and grievances that have been raised regarding the conduct of the exam and the results, and to do that in a transparent, scientific and a comprehensive manner, upholding the principles of equity and fairness. These can be very stressful times for the children who have spent hours in preparing for this high-stake exam. You poured thousands of hours in your preparation, and now you have to go through wait, causing anxiety and distress. To all of you, our heart goes out as you go through this process. Dear Akashians, those of you who appeared for this exam, we are there to support you. You can continue to stay connected to your mentors, your coaches, your teachers at all the classrooms at the institutes that you studied. We're there for you. We also have the ability to get you professional help in case you would like to seek and access it through the Aakash support system. Let's hope that we get a quick resolution and a closure to this difficult issue. Thank you.